In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill that can make your presentations look much more polished and professional. So let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't got it opened already, just find it on your desktop or search for it in your applications. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation that contains the image you want to crop. Open up that particular presentation and let's focus on getting everything just right. Now go to the slide where your image resides, click on the image you want to crop. This is a key step because it will activate certain tools that we need to access. You'll know the image is selected when you see little circles or squares appear around the boundary of the image. These are called handles and they indicate that the image is active and ready for editing. Next, turn your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see various tabs across the top: Home, Insert, Design, and so on. You need to locate a tab labeled Picture Format. Go ahead and click on that. If you are unable to find it, don't worry. Sometimes it may read as Format, especially if the interface restyled for your version, but it should likely reference Picture or Image. Once you are in the Picture Format tab, you will see a variety of options related to working with images. Among these options, you should spot a button labeled Crop. Click on this button. Don't be alarmed if something doesn't happen right away. Clicking crop basically sets up your image so it knows it's about to be modified in a specific way. Then once you click crop, again you will reconfirm that you wish to enter crop mode. This might feel a bit redundant, but this step ensures all cropping tools and settings are perfectly aligned for optimal results. Your image will now have black cropping handles which look a bit different from the other decoration handles. Now it's time to actually crop your image. Click and drag these black cropping handles to frame the image just as you want it. You can adjust from any side or corner by dragging these handles inward or outward. If at any moment you feel disappointed with the crop, remember you can always reset and try again until you reach the perfect result. Once satisfied with the cropped selection, click anywhere outside the image to apply the changes. There you go, your image is beautifully cropped and just as you'd envisioned. We hope this enhances your presentation visually, adding a touch of professionalism and clarity. And that's it, you've mastered how to crop an image in PowerPoint. Whether it's for sharpening focus or tidying up your slides, this is your go-to technique. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.